Let's explore the world of content delivery networks, or CDNs. This is the beginning of our system design series, where we'll be building content delivery networks. So, what exactly is a CDN? A content delivery network is a geographically distributed network of servers that delivers web content to users based on their location. It ensures faster and more reliable access to websites and applications for users all around the world. Let's break down the key components of a CDN. First, we have the origin server. This is the primary source of your content, where all the original files are stored. Then, there are the edge servers. These are distributed cache nodes strategically located worldwide to deliver content to users closer to their geographic location. Why should you use a CDN? Content delivery networks offer several benefits. First, they provide faster load times, which is achieved through reduced latency due to the proximity of edge servers. CDNs also offer distributed denial of service, or DDoS protection, by distributing traffic across multiple servers, absorbing potential attacks. Let's take a look at the architecture of a content delivery network. It starts with a user request, which is then followed by a domain name system, or DNS resolution. This process directs the user to the nearest edge server, which then delivers the requested content. Now let's discuss domain name system, or DNS Resolution Strategy with an example. We have a function called resolve CDN endpoint, which takes the user's Internet protocol, or IP address as an argument. First, it determines the user's location. If the user is located in United States East, it returns the address of United States East CDNsexample.com. If the user is located in Europe, it returns the address of Europe West CDNsexample.com. Otherwise, it defaults to the global CDN address, global CDNsexample.com. Now let's explore caching strategies. The first one is the push strategy. In this proactive approach, content is distributed to edge servers in anticipation of user requests. The second one is the pull strategy. Here, content is fetched from the origin server only when it is requested by a user and not already present on the edge server. Let's discuss cache invalidation. We have a function called invalidate cache, which takes a file path as an argument. First, it generates a cache key for the given file path. Then, it purges or removes the cache key from all edge servers to ensure that the updated content is served. Finally, it logs the invalidation event with the status of success. Let's explore load balancing algorithms. First, we have round robin. This algorithm distributes requests sequentially across available servers. Second, we have least connections, which routes incoming requests to the server with the fewest active connections at that time. To summarize, content delivery networks provide global distribution of content, reducing latency for users worldwide. Also, they offer smart caching strategies, which efficiently minimize the load on origin servers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.